Hello Virtuous family, welcome to Virtuous Skills. My name is Nancy. In today's video, what I have for you is authentic River State native soup. This soup is originated from River State and is one of their numerous rich native soup. I also have another version of this soup which I will pin at the comment section. Please do feel free to check it out. Today's method and that method is two different methods all together. Anyone you choose goes very well and they are very delicious. Without further ado, let's dive right into today's video. Ingredient I have for the authentic River State native soup, our fisherman soup, are quite simple and very easy to get anywhere. Though the soup is meant to be very rich because River State people are rich, as you know, then one don't have to break bank to cook or make the soup. You know, if you break bank to cook a particular soup, what will happen to you? So let's move. I got snare here, periwinkle, fresh tilapia fish, blended ozoza seed, crayfish, scotch bonnet pepper, onion, achi, salt, seasoning cube, uziza leaf, and lastly palm oil. Yes, first thing first, let's prep the ingredients, and to this we are starting with fresh tilapia fish. As you can see, I've scraped off the back already, meaning that the fish is halfway clean. The work here is just to cut it to my preferred sizes, and once I'm done cutting the fish, I will as well cut the uziza seed and then wash the fish again and get back to you. Alright, keep watching. Have you subscribed to this channel? If you have not, please subscribe to the channel with a notification bell to be notified anytime we upload a new video. Share this video to families and friends and drop your beautiful comment. Give this video a huge thumbs up. Okay, yeah, please note you can use any protein of your choice for this particular native soup, but the truth of the matter remains that the people that owns this soup, which is River State people, like using seafood. That is why another name for this soup is fisherman soup. All right, keep watching. Yes, I'm done with everything prepping, and you know, prepping of your ingredient is the most important thing. Now I got here washed tilapia fish and snail, and to it I will add onion and blended scotch bonnet pepper and also seasoning cube. And please use pepper as you can tolerate. For me, I like it spicy on my native soup, and I've added half of the blended uziza seed and salt to taste, and to this I will also add water and then stir a bit to combine and cover to cook for 10 minutes. All right. This is 10 minutes later. The tilapia fish is good to go, but the snare is not fully cooked. All the same, keep watching to know the method of this particular native soup, alright? Because this is a different method altogether. Yeah, let's get into the full cooking exercise, alright? Place a pan on the heat. Add palm oil and allow the oil to heat up just a little. Add diced onion, okay, and stir very well to combine. Yes, what we are trying to do here is to make a thickener for the soup. This method basically is frying method of River State native soup. Alright, now I've added achi powder and I will stir to combine. Please don't do this with a high heat, preferably off the heat, okay? It is not good for the achi at all. Yeah, stir very well to avoid lumps, okay? And this is another beautiful authentic way of making River State native soup, and you will really enjoy this method. Alright, this is called frying method of authentic River State native soup. Yeah, our fisherman soup. Once that is stirred, I will add a half-cooked snail alongside with the fresh fish stock. Alright, and to that I will also add our crayfish and stir very well to combine. Once that is done, I will cover to cook until the snail is tender, and that will take about 10 to 15 minutes. Alright, as I earlier said, this River State native soup have different ways of making it. Do check out my first method of this soup in my pinned comment and like the video if you have not. Thank you. Yes, we are back again, and the snail is tender to my preference. Next, I will stir and carefully add the tilapia fish inside the soup. Yeah, this soup is one Nigerian soup that does not waste anybody's time at all. Once the ingredients are prepped, you are good to go. I am stirring, as you can see, and I will be very gentle and careful with the fish so that it won't disintegrate. I don't want to hear stories say the fish start at all. Yes, once one stir, cover and allow to cook for 8 to 10 minutes more. All right. Yes, we are back again to our River State native soup, and this is really reporting very well. Next is to add our periwinkle. River State people doesn't play with periwinkle in their soup. And another is the blended uziza seed to boost the one I added earlier, and uziza leaf itself, and I will stir very well to combine. This soup is really reporting. Virtuous family, are you seeing what I'm sawing? Wow, this is good. I mean, it is good. I must tell you, the combination of the uziza seed and the uziza leaf took the taste of this soup to another lovely level. Yes, once everything is carefully combined, I will check and balance the taste, which is my best part. You know it, and this is absolutely delicious. I will cover to steamer on a low heat for 2 to 3 minutes more. Alright? Yay! We are back and we are done already. This soup is straight to point, no corner anyhow. Yeah! On this junction, Virtuous family, our authentic River State native soup, or our fisherman soup, is ready. Let's go to the table and do it some good. Virtuous family, we are done cooking. As you can see, this soup is one Nigerian soup you have to try out. It is very easy and simple to follow up. You can pair this soup with loy aka fufu, semolina, wheat, starch, gari, or even pounded yam. Hope you enjoy every clip of today's video just as we enjoy and like bringing it at the doorstep. Try this soup and be sure to give us your feedback on all our social media handles. Give this video a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel with a notification bell to be notified anytime we upload a new video. Share this video to families and friends and drop your beautiful comment to encourage us. From me and all my crew, thanks for watching. Always remain blessed, and we will see you in our next one. Bye bye.